been avoiding this, but I feel bad because I don't want to just abandon you all with no explanation. So we'll start with last week. I didn't think I was going to start crying like right away. So last week we were chugging along with Vlogmas, and then I signed up for like a month or two ago. I signed up for a 2-day workshop, 2-day sewing workshop. It was a bodice making class, and the first day was wonderful. And that was the day that I left the note that on the community page that I was working on something. It was wonderful, but wasn't going to have time to edit in time to get the next Vlogmas up. That Vlogmas did eventually go up. That was my Polar Express one. And you all were really great and understanding. And the next day, so for both of these I took a half day because they were during the week at work. And then the next day, I was getting ready to go to my workshop, but I was working that morning and I got laid off. And so I still went to the workshop because I'd paid for it, but that was difficult. I'm a fainter, and at one point I almost fainted during the workshop. But I was like, you gotta get it together, girl, because you cannot pass out on this concrete. So I went through that, and then I came home. I was a mess. And I allowed myself to wallow last week. And that brings us to today, which is Friday. And that's the reason I haven't been uploading. I did upload the Polar Express vlog because I was like really happy with that footage and I didn't want it to go to waste. And you all didn't like that vlog, but I liked it. And my vlogs just don't do as well, period. Which is okay. And that's why I stopped uploading and why I haven't been, if you follow me on Instagram, why I haven't been doing 24 days of tea. Because it also explains the things I've been posting because I just don't feel like showing up on camera right now. In one way, I mean, thankfully, it was not just me, it was my whole department. But in one way, like, I haven't been happy with where I'm at in life right now. And I got a stark reminder of that on my birthday, but I would rather have chosen to leave my job. I didn't want it to be chosen for me. And I had been looking for a new job. I hadn't found something that was a good fit. I worked in tech. So I've been applying and interviewing, and I do acknowledge that this is one of the few times that I will be able to work myself and my channel with no distractions. But I think I've just chosen to work on myself. So I've been like working out and making sure I eat and trying to, maintain the self-care, which has been going well actually. I'm really proud of my progress because it like forces me to eat because I can't work out if I don't eat. Like I said, I'm a fainter, so. And I did have a couple videos planned that I wanted to pump out before the end of the year, and then I was just like, realistically, I think because I watched Whit Make's video, or she was like, this is gonna be my last video this year. And then Secret Life of the Seamstress, she had the same thing happen, and I was like, it's okay to not push through. and just feel. So I will be back in January. I don't know when in January, but in January. Because I really enjoy making everything I made this year videos. And y'all really enjoy watching them. And I'm just, I just take it day by day. It's a step from there. So that's where we're at. We're not monetized yet. We're very close. All your views count. I'm just missing the watch hours. So I appreciate when y'all watch my video from beginning to end. Because I would like to do this full time, but we're just not there yet. So I do realistically need another job. And it's just me. So I don't have a dual income household. And we're just trying to figure it out. But next year, when I do come back, I have good news. And I can talk about it then. Good news that I got a job. I like to be specific when we put things out there in the universe. Your, the positive vibes, thoughts, and prayers are all appreciated. I think the thing that, this video is all over the place. I'm sorry, it's so rambly. I think the thing that, sucks the most is that I had spent this year, really working to pay off debt, which was, wonderful. But because of that, I don't have, a super big savings, which is a choice I made. But it also does make things just a little bit more stressful and scary, so. Hold on. I wasn't expecting to get so emotional about it, but it is an emotional thing, so. Just because I've already, dealt with that. But yeah, that's where we're at. That's what's going on. Hope you all have a great end of the year, holiday season, however you choose to celebrate that. And I will see you next year. And really try and make my channel be a positive place, but sometimes life is hard. So please subscribe. All your likes and comments help. Or if any of you are hiring, someone with project manager experience remotely, that would be cool too. But yeah, I'll see you all next year.